What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. And today we're going to be making honey peach chicken tenders. Stay tuned. All right, I got two chicken breasts right here. What you want to do is, these are kind of thick. If you got some even thicker, you might want to try cutting this in half, but you can leave it like it is. So I like to cut mine about half an inch, and this is what we gonna do. Like they say on TV, move this out the way. With the magic of TV, I already got some cut. So I know y'all don't want to sit there and watch me cut all them things up. So I already got them done for you. Let's save some time. All right, let's go ahead and get this seasoned. Okay, y'all, I know y'all seen all them seasonings and was like, man, what in the world is he gonna do with all that? I'm finna show you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off. I'm gonna make the seasoned flour. I got a cup and a half of just all-purpose flour. You can go ahead and dump that in. Also got half a cup of cornstarch. All right, so the first two seasonings we're gonna be using this sweet pepper honey chicken from Fire and Smoke. We're gonna throw that in there, and we also gonna be using the go-to blend, pretty much salt, pepper, garlic. I think it's got a little bit of sugar in there and a little bit of red pepper. We're gonna throw that in there as well. All right, let's go ahead. All right, you want to go ahead, take your whisk, go ahead and whisk all that up. All right, that's step one. We got the seasoned flour. Let's go ahead and put this up. Let's get this chicken. All right. The season we're gonna be using for the chicken tenders is the Chica Licka Bam Bam, Fire and Smoke, and Shake Tasties from Guess Who, Fire and Smoke. All right. If you can't find that, I got this at Walmart. It's 5 minutes down the street. If you got Kroger's, Publix, Food Line, Lowe's, if they don't sell it, you can always use this, Tony Chachere's. Hey, when they say it's great on everything, it really is. So if you can't find any seasoning, always go with this, Tony Chachere's. All right, let's go ahead. All right, I like to go kind of light on the first coat, see what it's looking like. I can always add more. Just go ahead and mix that up. See, like I said, you can always go back and add more. Add just a little bit more. Mix it up. All right, this is what they should look like after you got them coated up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sit this in the refrigerator while I go ahead and get my peach honey glaze ready. All right, y'all. So this is how I'm gonna make this honey peach glaze to go with the chicken tenders. You're gonna need a little bit of minced garlic. We're gonna put some of that same honey chicken in there. A little bit of honey. I got a little Frank's Red Hot. You can use whichever hot sauce you want. You're not gonna need a lot. Got a couple crushed red peppers, peach preserve. Also gonna be putting a dab sesame oil in there and a little bit of butter. So let's go ahead and get this butter in this pan and let's get to cooking. All right, y'all, once your butter starts melting, go ahead and take some of that minced garlic. Not gonna need a lot. Got about half a spoonful. If you like garlic, you can go heavy on the garlic. I just want a little bit. Go ahead and mix that in with that butter. Try to cook that down some. Go ahead and get some of your peach preserves. Go ahead and put some of that honey chicken seasoning in there. Dab of your hot sauce. Red pepper flakes. I got some brown sugar. A little bit of that sesame oil. All right. Keep mixing it together. And like always, I'm always forgetting to add stuff. Gotta put some of that W sauce in there. Trying to get this to form like a syrup-like texture to it. Just let it simmer. Just keep mixing it. You don't want to burn it. Look at me, I'm over here making a mess. I gotta clean some of this up. I keep it real on my channel. Hey, keep that kitchen clean. There you go, look a little better. Just keep mixing this up. I got this on medium high. I just dialed it down a little bit. There we go, exactly what I'm looking for, right there. All right, go ahead and cut this down, put this on low, set this to the side. Let's go ahead and fry this chicken up. All right, let's go ahead and get this chicken into this flour mix. So just go ahead and grab your piece, toss it in there. Hey, it's that simple. Shake it off, throw it on the cooling rack. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take these things, we're gonna go ahead and fry them. All right, I got my temp, I got it set around 360. It's reading 358 on my monitor, but that's pretty good, you know, as long as I get it over 350. But I like to do 360 because it's gonna cool off some as soon as you put the chicken in there. So let's go ahead and load this up with a couple. Try to fill in some of these spots. Boom. All right, go ahead and drop it in slow. Boom, that's all it is to it. All right, give it take about 8 minutes or so. We're gonna go ahead and check it, and hey, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I went ahead and took that chicken, put it on the cooling rack. I'm finna put them in a bowl and go ahead and mix in that honey peach glaze. All right, y'all, there you have it. Honey peach chicken tenders. Take a look at that right there. Man, it don't get no better than that. With all them seasonings I put in here, man, come on now. Hey, I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. It's time to eat.